Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be doing a Plus500 demo tutorial, how to use Plus500 demo account. So once you've signed up, the sign up process is very easy. You'll be brought to this homepage, and then down here you can press switch to demo mode. So go ahead and do that. Then here we'll be greeted with the demo homepage. So here we can see different watch lists that we can potentially filter through and select options to trade. So you can have your watch list here, and you can add instruments, and you can search for anything. ES, S&P, you can put that here, and that will appear here. Or you can find a stock, for example, gold, and then press add here, and press add to watch list. Or you can create a new watch list here. First of all, you want to select the stock that you want to trade. So for example, S&P. And then if you press this, you'll be able to view the insights. You can trade here, view info, and some insights here regarding the actual market. So this is the actual chart here. If you want to enlarge it, you press this. And if you want to minimize it, you press this. So here we can do some drawing. So we can go ahead and select a specific line that you want to trade here. So for example, we can do lines like that, and that will draw it right across your screen. You can do horizontal ones, and you can press delete here, and that will delete the things for you. There are many other tools, for example, measuring tool. So we can measure the specific length of a move if you want to. You can see it in bars and pips. Up here, we can change the template. So if you want to trade multiple markets and see them side by side. So for example, put NASDAQ here. And you can also have another one if you like. So for example, gold, search in this, and then you will see gold here. So also up here, we can change the chart types. And if you want to change your layout back to normal, you press the 1 here, and you will see just one chart here. So here we can add indicators here. So for example, Bollinger Bands, you can add this and they'll be implemented onto your chart. So if you want to edit or delete your indicators, you go to indicators, active indicators, then you can press enable, disable, or you can delete here or clear all. And then here we can change the custom time interval of the actual chart so we can view it on different time frames. So once you add all of your indicators, so I want some volume indicators, click on a volume chart, and it'll be added down here. So in terms of buying and selling, you have the option to buy or sell. And then here we can select how many contracts you want to place. So for example, 500, you will see the required margin and value number here. And then you can do a limit order. So you can buy or sell at a specific point. So when the price goes down to say 7533, you can put in 7533 here. When it reaches that level, it will engage the trade, depending on whether you buy or sell. So here we can set limits, so we can take a profit here. So it says the profit down here, and we can put the rate in the actual terms of price here. So for example, if it reaches the upper Bollinger Band, so 7451, we can select that as a take profit, and we can close at loss. So for example, we can also move this in real time on the chart. We can do that. Guaranteed stop. And here we can choose the current rate. So we can do an order rate, or we can open the trade at the market. So you can go ahead and press place order, or you can press buy market here. And this will engage a trade for you, where we can go ahead and select a take profit and then a stop loss. We can go ahead and drag this to wherever we want. How many contracts, trading stop or limit, and then press buy. And this will engage the trade also for us. So as you can see, the profit up here, the margin, equity, and the money available to do further trades. If you want to go and view our trades, we can go onto here, see open positions, and we can see our current position on the market. And also here we can see our orders here. So for example, we can see how well that's doing right now, not very well. And also here we have Fibonacci projections, where we can draw from one point to another point, and it will give us Fibonacci lines, which is very handy. We can click on it, go to settings here if you want to edit the settings, and we can deselect all of the lines that we don't want, and we can add some, etc. So it's very handy here. You can change the colors, etc., and other lines up here. So also another handy feature is if you want to open this chart and say you have multiple PCs, you can press this and it will bring up the chart as one tab so you can view it on a separate window, which is very handy. So you can do that with multiple instruments. And also to cancel your order, you press close here and that will close out the position, or you can further edit it. So yeah, that is all the basics. That's how you use the demo account. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.